y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup look. I'm planning makeup again today. Just want to have fun. I don't know what this look is going to come out like, but I just going to do it. And of course, as the title below, we are going to see what the look is going to be like in the end. So of course, while you guys are here, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, click the bell so you are notified when I post a video. Of course, if you guys want to see how this look comes out, then let's jump right into it.
As you guys know, I have to start off with a base. I'm going to be taking my Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair and my NYX HD Concealer in the shade, what color is it? Medium is CW05. And I'm going to put these on my lid, and then I'm going to take a flat dome eyeshadow brush to blend that out. And I'll make sure that I apply this close to my eyebrows, and I'm going to be blending that in. So the first shade I'm going to be taking, I'm taking these two shades here. I like to have a color that is kind of bright, but not too bright, and it's kind of natural and matte. And yeah, I just think it looks really pretty and flattering against any eyeshadow look. And so I'm going to be taking these three shades here. You guys can use any color that you have, any blues that you do have. I just use these because these are what I have. And now first, I'm just going to pat these color in the crease to get the opacity that I want. And then I'm going to blend it out. Taking this purple color, and I'm just going to buff that out over that blue to kind of blend it out, to blend out the harsh lines. And I build this color up as well. And then I go back in with the blue because I feel like I lost some of it. And I'm just going to add a little bit more of that and buff that out. So to cut the crease, I'm going to be taking a angled brush, and I'm going to be doing the transfer method. And right now I'm just, doing the transfer method. And I'm going to take an eyelash curler to give me more of a defined line. And then I'm going to take the same brush that I blended out the concealer before to blend out that crease. And so for my outer corner, I'm going to take these dark blue and black. I just want to add some depth in the outer corner. And for my lit shade, I'm going to be taking this pink shade here. And I'm just going to blend that two colors together. And for my liner, I'm going to take the same angled brush and my concealer and just carve out a angled line. And I'm just going to take this shade here and apply this on my liner, or the liner created for my liner. And for the rest of my eyes, I'm going to be taking my angle brush with some concealer, and I'm going to apply this right under my lash line. In my waterline, I'm going to be taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color white. I forgot the actual color. And I'm going to add this into my waterline with a small detail brush. And so for my first color, I'm going to be taking the blue that I applied in my crease, and I'm just going to pat that color on the lash line and in my waterline. And then to deepen up that color in the outer corner, I'm just going to be taking that darker blue and blend that out and connecting it with the top of the liner. And then I'll go in with that purple, and I just want to blend that in the beginning and right under that blue. And for my inner corner, I'm going to be taking a little bit more concealer, and I'm going to be taking this yellow shade, and I'm going to pop that there and making sure to blend it up with that blue, because I want to blend that together and, you know, create some color there. And then on the top of that, I'm going to be taking this gold shade to enhance that color, and I add mascara. And for my lips today, I'm going to be taking LA Girl's lip pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to be lining my lips with that. And for the rest of my lips, I'm going to be taking NYX's lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. And this is the completed look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And you guys, make sure you are subscribed and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It helps out a lot. And you guys remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.